Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these super delicious and vegan jackfruit nuggets. The texture is very meat-like and it's actually pretty simple to make. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, I used oil, flour, coconut milk, fennel seeds, smoked paprika powder, ground cumin, salt, garlic powder, breadcrumbs, and young jackfruit. For this recipe, I'm using canned young green jackfruit. After draining the jackfruit, I'm cutting off the woody or the hard part, and I'm actually keeping it to use in my curry, in my jackfruit curry. But for this recipe, you want to work with the meaty part of the jackfruit. So when you cut it off, do not cut directly into the meaty part, but leave a little bit of the hardy or the woody part to keep the jackfruit together. If you cut into the meaty part like I did here, some of the meaty part that we want to use will come off. In the next step, I seasoned the coconut milk and flour because I will be combining the nuggets with sauce. Therefore, I want to go for a subtle flavor. However, if you want the flavor to be more pronounced, feel free to season the jackfruit instead of the coconut milk and flour. To bread the nuggets, put it in the flour and then in the coconut milk, and finally in the breadcrumbs, and repeat this process for all the pieces. Then fry it in vegetable oil over medium heat until it is golden brown. If you are not yet following me on Instagram, make sure to check it out for behind the scenes footage and other food related posts that I do not share on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching.